Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. I am pleased to announce that iOS 26 will be released on 15 September, allowing us to explore more new features. However, what should you do if the iOS 26 update does not appear on your device? We will explore some troubleshooting tips to address this issue. Let's delve into it. There are several reasons why you may not see the iOS 26 update. The first step is to check the compatibility of your device. Here we see that iOS 26 only supports these versions of iPhone, as well as the corresponding iPad and Mac. If you are using an older device, you will not be able to see the iOS 26 update. Additionally, you need to change your beta version option to off and no longer accept beta version pushes. If these troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue, you can try the following methods to easily solve the problem. Method 1. Adjust the internet settings. Before we jump to the solutions, ensure your internet connection is solid. Check if your Wi-Fi signal is stable. Even if it displays the icon, it might be too weak to process the update. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, consider switching to mobile data, but ensure you have a sufficient data plan before doing so. If both Wi-Fi and mobile data are not successful, the next step is to reset the network settings. To do this, navigate to the Settings app, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then choose to reset the network settings. This action will refresh your network settings and address many connection issues. After the reset, attempt to connect to a different Wi-Fi network to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, it may indicate a system stability issue. Method 2. Force restart. To address the issue of being stuck on the iOS 26 update screen, it is essential to ensure that your device has sufficient storage space, ideally between 5 to 10 GB free, as insufficient storage is a common reason for errors. To proceed with the force restart of your iPhone, follow these steps. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo is displayed. After a restart, attempt to download the iOS 26 package again. It may be helpful. Method 3. Use iTunes for the iOS 26 update. If the problem persists, you will need to use a computer to resolve the issue. If you have iTunes or Finder installed on your computer, you can use them to update your phone. Just connect your phone to the computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then click on the phone icon to access the summary page and select Check for update. If an update is available, just click Update. However, due to delays, it may not include the iOS 26 update, or it may take longer because it needs to connect to the server. For a faster update, I strongly recommend using ReiBoot. Method 4. Use ReiBoot Update iOS 26. If iTunes cannot resolve the issue, it might be necessary to perform a simpler and problem-free update. Introducing ReiBoot, a powerful tool designed to resolve various iOS issues, including upgrade and downgrade capabilities. Please follow the steps. Download and install ReiBoot on your computer. Connect your iPhone, select iOS upgrade, and choose upgrades. ReiBoot will automatically identify the latest iOS 26 release and the beta version. Then you need to download the corresponding firmware. After this, update your iPhone within minutes, without any further delays or complications, and enjoy the new features of iOS 26 immediately. If you are dissatisfied with the new iOS 26 system, or if it experiences issues such as battery drain, you can utilize ReiBoot to downgrade your phone. By simply clicking the downgrade button and downloading the appropriate firmware, you can downgrade your phone without errors. Just wait a few minutes. You can revert to a previous version, thereby enhancing your experience with a more stable system. We hope these suggestions have helped you solve problems like request update or update paused when updating to iOS 26. You are also welcome to talk about what features you like or what problems you encounter when using iOS 26 in the comment area, and whether you think this system is worth upgrading after experiencing iOS 26. Thank you for watching.